A quick word about snacks. It's really good to eat smaller meals and keep snacks on hand for when our blood sugar levels drop at certain times of the day. I call it grazing, little bits here and there. See, blood sugar drops at different times for different people. For some people, this can mean a complete mind and body meltdown if they're caught without snacks. For me, it usually is mid-morning and late afternoon when my blood sugar starts to drop. In fact, that's when it usually happens to people. In addition, having a good nutritious breakfast will make me less likely to grab the nearest sugary snack. I'm never without a healthy snack for the mid-morning and afternoon. For example, red grapes. These are one of my favorites. Red seedless grapes. Or an apple or low-fat yogurt. A piece of string cheese, low-fat string cheese, low-fat yogurt. I like zero-fat Greek cheese because it's filtered and it's nice and thick. It's got a great texture. Unsalted nuts and raisins, also excellent snacks, and mixed together, they're totally delicious. By the way, do you know that apples vary a lot in flavor? So experiment until you find varieties that you really love the best. Personally, I'm partial to the Honey Crisp, Stamen, Gala, and Fuji varieties. Those are my favorites. And sometimes I'll bring a baked potato with me when I leave home. Even at room temperature, a good baked potato can be great. And again, try different varieties of potatoes until you find one that has just the texture and consistency that appeals to you. Eating foods grown locally and in season, picked at peak ripeness, increases flavor and nutrient content. Making them more enjoyable and healthy while at the same time using fewer natural resources. Transporting food from faraway places, for example, uses a lot of fossil fuel. So if you can, support your local growers. Go to farmers markets. This helps protect the environment as well as our own health. All right, so I'm going to show you another healthy snack that I sometimes make for myself. Sometimes I make it for breakfast, and sometimes it's a snack. If you have the time and the resources, juicing fresh fruits and vegetables is an excellent way to consume your daily nutrients and get a lot of color too. This is my favorite blend for what I call my green drink. All right? We'll start with kale. Parsley. Getting all these good green foods in there. Beets. It's going to make everything red, but as you see, there's a lot of green things in here too. And some carrots, some celery. Now, you might have a hard time getting your kids to eat these kind of vegetables, but if you juice it, they may just love it. Try it out. See, I'm going to put a piece of lemon in here. This is ginger with the skin. Don't even bother to peel it. And now, finally, apples. Apples, apples. It makes it taste so good and sweet. My grandkids love this drink. Last one. Voila. Okay. Turn it off. Make sure that all that apple juice gets out of there. Now let's just see. Ooh. Here we go. Oh. I can feel myself getting healthier. Give it a try and let me know what you think.